Hey guys, how's it going? How to optimize SEO settings on Hostinger. First of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you buy the best plan. And if you want the best plan, please quickly visit the link in the description box to get the best plan possible to start your journey. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna access the SEO settings. So, via the sidebar, within the sidebar, click the ellipsis and then or the three dots button, and on the left to access the website settings, and then select the SEO settings, and then basically you can view the SEO settings from the page settings within the builder. Expand the pages and navigation panel on the left. Click on the page settings and then select SEO settings. And in the SEO settings, you can do the following: specify your business or brand name in the overview section, specify the default website's language in the overview section, customize the SEO settings of your website pages, like add meta titles in description, edit URLs, add keywords, hide pages from search engines. There also you can find their AI SEO assistant, which can help you create new SEO titles, meta descriptions, and keywords for your pages. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.